Highfield Door Sales, we have a preventative maintenance program that we will come in for $79.50 and we will lubricate all the moving parts of your garage door. We'll lubricate all the rollers, all of your hinges, all of the tracks. There's end bearings. We need to lubricate your J-arm that connects the opener to the door. I mean, it's a moving part that needs to be lubricated. We'll adjust the springs. We'll check the tension on the cables. We'll check the balance of the door, make sure it's all operating by hand, not with the opener, by hand. It needs to operate smoothly. And we will lubricate any garage door openers that needs to be. We will also check the sensitivity on the door. If it comes down and obstructs an object, we will always check that to make sure it does it in a safe manner. It should come down and hit an object in reverse and go back open. So you can give us a call anytime before noon and we will get to your call that day. Anytime, typically after noon, it will be the following day.